Hi, I'm Travis Eliot,
And I'm Lauren Eckstrom.
and welcome to Introduction to Yoga.
Interdimension Media is excited to introduce you to the practice of yoga. This program is great for beginners or those looking to review the fundamentals.
We will focus on smart, safe alignment, taking our time as we move in and out of all the various poses. We will focus on building strength, flexibility, and confidence as you begin this new yoga path.
Your program includes 7 unique practices: the Mountain Pose series, half sun salutations, full sun salutations A, balancing poses, full sun salutations B, and the warrior sequence.
We believe that yoga is the foundation for health, happiness, and a life of purpose. We are honored to be by your side, so let's get started and see you on the mat.